Farm animals. Let's see some of the farm animals. First comes the horse. Horse is a very strong animal. Horse is used for riding. Cow. Cow gives us milk and meat. Sheep. We get meat and wool from sheep. Goat. Goat gives us milk and meat. Kids love to play with goat. Rabbit. Rabbit is such a cute animal. Hen. Hens convert food scraps into egg. Hens can control pests and insects. It is one of the famous food for everyone. Turkey bird. Turkey looks very unique. Turkey gives us meat and lay eggs. Goose gives us meat, but duck gives us meat as well as eggs. Like and subscribe.